if you want reliability. And if you're building a model that can solve coding challenges,
All right.
you want reliability. But if you're writing where you want diverse rhythm and emotion and connection and like engagement, I don't think those 2 goals are mutually compatible. And so the question is like, can the best coding model also be the best writing model? And I think we need another breakthrough if that's going to be the case, because if all we're doing is continually reinforcement learning, where we're basically trying to solve verifiable problems, and we basically use so much reinforcement learning on these models that it drowns out all the creativity of the internet or the books being scanned or all of the things that occur in pre-training, that that gets drowned out because we want to be able to answer a coding problem perfectly. And it means that all of that kind of humanity gets replaced with very terse reasoning. And I think people can sense that. Like Fable and GPT-5 don't write as well as Sonnet 3.5 or like GPT 4.0. Like the humanity is gone. And that's because this kind of post training, which is focused on agentic and coding and math, verifiable problems, not qualitative or taste
Yeah.
problems, are overwhelming the human signal.